We're going to take a look at the Home Depot in here, obviously coming off retail earnings this past week, but we still had that overall large contraction in the VIX, and basically everybody was just kind of hinging on Nvidia and then basically taking profits and then dumping everything in here on the week. So where does that kind of put Home Depot? Well, we actually ended up $12 on the day from Thursday's close. So we actually ended green overall, but we did have a red week here on the weekly candle. So we're going to do a little channel trading in here. So what we're going to be looking for is a hold of this 200 SMA. That's at 341. If we can get that, we're going to jump in this channel right here, right around that 346 mark. And then we're looking in between 346 and 352 for some channel trading in here. Anything outside that, then we have this harsh trend line right here that we're going to be looking at. That's sitting right around 362, 363. That is going to be the next resistance. To the downside, though, if this 200 SMA does not hold, well, then basically there's nothing to save us until you get all the way down here to 325. So we're just going to let the chart kind of dictate this on the way down here, what is going to save us, because you can see you have to go all the way back to right around April to get a little bounce off that 200 SMA down here. And that's coming in with a low in here of right around that 325 mark that's sitting all the way down here. So that is kind of what we're looking at overall. To the downside, really nothing. So if it's 200 SMA in here gets breached, then obviously we're just kind of giving up until we get a bounce off that 325. To the upside, again, just to repeat, 346, and we're a little $6 channel in here. We got to watch out for anything above that. Then we can look at that 362. But if not, then it looks like we're probably going to be consolidating in here within that $6 range. $8 expected move coming in by this Friday, the following Friday, right around a $12 expected move is what all the options traders are pricing in this underlying. So let's see what happens upcoming here in the Home Depot. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.